quickly get rid of constipation in these natural ways. Have you ever been stressed due to the discomfort of constipation? You are not alone. It turns out that 12 to 19% of adults suffer from chronic constipation. But, no more worries. In this video, we reveal the various reasons for constipation, and for each reason, the most effective, natural, and quick way to overcome constipation. It's time to say goodbye to discomfort, and feel light and free again. Keep watching as we guide you through a journey of relief, packed with valuable tips and practical methods to rebalance your intestines. Because the cause of constipation is often unclear, we recommend trying different methods to determine the cause or causes of your constipation. Let's explore this path to natural relief together, because a healthy life begins from within. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Health channel so you don't miss any of our practical health and wellness tips and tricks. Firstly, what exactly are the symptoms of constipation? The primary symptom of constipation is having less frequent bowel movements than usual. Some people with severe constipation may not have a bowel movement for a week. In addition, there's difficulty in passing stools. Often, there's a sensation of the need to pass stools, but the actual passage is difficult, resulting in discomfort, bloating, cramps, and abdominal pain. There's also often a feeling of not being fully empty after a bowel movement. Stools are also drier and harder, because they stay longer in the intestines, resulting in discomfort. These discomforts can lead to more fatigue and irritability. In summary, constipation is a bothersome condition that can be very distressing for people. Let's start with one of the main reasons for constipation and the solutions for it. 1. Maintaining gut microbiota of the digestive system. The intestines contain a large amount of bacteria known as gut flora or gut microbiota. These bacteria play an essential role in various aspects of digestion and the overall health of the digestive system, including preventing constipation. A deficiency in good bacteria in the intestines can lead to various problems that can cause or worsen constipation. Here's the thing. The bacteria in our intestines are involved in breaking down food and producing substances like short-chain fatty acids, which help soften stools and promote bowel movements. With a shortage of these bacteria, the production of these beneficial substances can decrease, slowing down intestinal motility and causing constipation. In the worst-case scenario, an imbalance between good and bad bacteria in the intestines, also known as dysbiosis, can lead to inflammations and changes in intestinal function. This can disrupt normal peristalsis, contractions of the intestines that help propel food, causing constipation. Additionally, healthy gut bacteria contribute to the production of mucus that protects the intestinal wall. A shortage of these good bacteria results in a lack of protective coating, which can lead to irritations and inflammations of the intestinal wall. So, if you suspect a disrupted gut microbiota as the cause, here are the solutions. Consume foods rich in prebiotics and probiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria needed in our bodies. Probiotics can be found in yogurt or fermented foods such as kimchi and sauerkraut, but they are also available in supplement form. Prebiotics are dietary fibers that feed good bacteria, found in onions, garlic, and legumes, among others. This is also available in supplement form. It may be useful to consider probiotic and prebiotic supplements after consulting with a healthcare professional. 2. Inadequate bile production. Bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, is a fluid essential for digestion. Bile contains bile acids that help break down and absorb fats from food in the intestines. If there's insufficient bile available, this can lead to reduced fat digestion, affecting stool consistency and causing constipation. Additionally, bile acids can also influence the growth of certain intestinal bacteria. An imbalanced gut microbiota due to reduced bile production can affect intestinal function and cause constipation. Bile also indirectly affects intestinal motility. If there's too little bile, it can slow down bowel movements, delaying the passage of food and stool through the digestive tract and causing constipation. To prevent or alleviate constipation due to reduced bile production, here are some steps to take. 1. Consume foods that promote bile production, such as green leafy vegetables, artichokes, beets, garlic, onions, and citrus fruits. A high-fiber diet can also help regulate bowel function. 2. Consume healthy fats found in olive oil, coconut oil, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. These can aid in better fat digestion. 3. Ensure adequate hydration because water is essential for a healthy digestion. 4. And regular physical activity. Physical activity stimulates bowel movements and can help prevent constipation. If constipation persists or is severe due to reduced bile production, it's important to consult a doctor. A medical assessment can help identify the underlying cause and determine the most suitable treatment, such as medication or other interventions, to stimulate bile production and relieve constipation. 3. Low stomach acid production. Stomach acid is another part of the digestive system. And similarly, if it doesn't work well, constipation can occur. Though less obvious, a lack of stomach acid can contribute to digestive problems, including constipation. Stomach acid is essential for the digestion process because it has various functions that indirectly affect bowel movements. For instance, stomach acid aids in breaking down food and activating enzymes that break down proteins. If there's insufficient stomach acid, this can lead to reduced food breakdown in the stomach, slowing digestion and obstructing the passage of food through the digestive system, potentially causing constipation. Stomach acid is also vital for the absorption of various nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and proteins. A lack of stomach acid can reduce nutrient absorption, indirectly affecting gut health and causing constipation. If you experience problems with your stomach acid, we recommend watching our video on how to get rid of acid reflux. In this video, we extensively cover how to resolve stomach problems. To help prevent or alleviate constipation due to a lack of stomach acid, here are some possible steps. 1. Consume foods that support stomach acid production, such as fermented foods, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and beet juice. These can promote digestion. 2. Take time to eat slowly and chew food thoroughly. 3. Avoid large meals and prefer multiple small meals throughout the day. 4. Drink enough water, but avoid large amounts just before or during meals, as this can dilute stomach acid production. 5. Avoid stress. Stress can affect stomach acid production. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises can help reduce stress. 4. Vitamin B1, thiamine, deficiency. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, plays an essential role in the functioning of the nervous system, including the function of the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is crucial as it sends signals from the brain to various organs in the abdomen, including the intestines. It plays a crucial role in regulating digestion by transmitting signals to the brain, and from the brain back to the digestive system. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to nerve damage, including damage to the vagus nerve, through a mechanism called neuropathy. When the vagus nerve functions less efficiently due to a vitamin B1 deficiency, various digestive processes can be disrupted, leading to constipation. These disruptions can result in slow passage of food through the digestive tract, making bowel movements more difficult. To help prevent or alleviate constipation due to a deficiency in vitamin B1, here are some possible steps. 1. Consume foods rich in vitamin B1. Ensure a diet that is rich in thiamine. Foods such as whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, pork, fish, and eggs are good sources of vitamin B1. 2. Avoid unhealthy foods. Unhealthy foods like sugar, flour, and other refined foods can deplete vitamin B1 in the body. 3. Vitamin B1 supplements. If a deficiency in vitamin B1 is diagnosed by a doctor, it may be necessary to take supplements to replenish thiamine levels. However, this should always be done under medical supervision. Each of these factors, gut microbiota, bile, stomach acid, and vitamin B1 levels, can contribute to constipation in unique ways. Understanding these factors and taking appropriate steps can often help alleviate or prevent constipation, leading to better digestive health. It's essential to note that while these strategies can be helpful, if constipation persists or is severe, it's advisable to seek professional medical advice for a proper diagnosis and tailored treatment plan. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, lifestyle, or taking supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. Thank you for watching this valuable information on naturally overcoming constipation on the Health Channel. Now that you know the secrets to finding comfort and relief, we're ready to further guide you towards a healthier life. Please let us know in the comments below if any of these tips helped for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Click on that subscribe button and enable notifications, so you'll be the first to know about our latest videos. Together, we're embarking on a journey towards a life full of energy, vitality, and health. Thanks for watching and see you next time on the Health Channel.